Hey there, welcome. It's Karen Lanou from No Limits Businesswoman, and hope you're having an awesome day. Today, in our mastermind group with the gals, what came up was, again, talking about procrastination, lack of focus, not getting the things that you want. And I had been learning something new, and specifically something that kind of reinforced an idea, which is the universe loves speed. And to me, that was always kind of a metaphysical thing, and something that I've seen over and over again. Where, of course, when people get inspiration, they take action, and things occur. Right? That's just the way it happens. And so, part of that comes, part of the idea about that is that when you get that inspiration, that's coming from spirit, that's coming from the universe, from God, whatever that is for you. But and then when you take action on it, because you're listening, you're aware, you're staying in your awareness, then you take action, things happen. Action's good, right? But today, or yesterday, I was reading something, and this is what, again, I shared with the gals in the group today, was that in fact another reason why, and part of it is this guy, the gremlin. So the gremlin, he pops in. So as soon as we come up with a new idea, an inspiration, a new idea, or a thought that, I need to be doing this. This is my goal is X, and so whatever X is, and I want to do that. I want to make more money. I want to lose weight, or whatever it is. But then what happens is, if we don't take action on something at that moment, where it's like, you know what, I should do a live, right? Or I should I'm about to eat these cookies, and that's not going to help me lose weight. Okay. Any of those kinds of things, where we're just at that precipice of saying, I'm going to do this thing that I know I shouldn't be doing, or not do this thing that I know I should be doing. And so what happens then is that we stop, we hesitate. And when we hesitate, that's where this guy jumps in right away, the gremlin. He jumps in and says, okay, wait a minute. Yeah, you don't want to do that thing. Or, you should eat those cookies, right? You absolutely should eat those cookies, because he's just trying to keep the status quo, okay? So but what happens, though, is when we, so that's just the way our mind works, right? This guy is always in action. He's always waiting to keep the status quo. When he sees you kind of moving to do something new, to go towards something, your big goals, your big dreams, and you're starting to do that, he'll pop in and say, no, you should do the opposite of what you think, of what you actually should be doing. And so, and there's a mechanism in our brain that actually that does that, right? Again, the gremlin is really your subconscious mind. So there's that mechanism, but it stops us. And then what ends up happening is we go into what I call the trinity of trouble: fear, doubt, and worry, right? It's like, okay, no, I've got to do more research, or, I'll start tomorrow, or I'll do whatever it is, like whatever it is that stops you, okay? That's only this guy. It's just this guy. And he's stopping you from actually having what you want, right? So, in terms of, when that comes up, you want to take action. You want to take action as soon as you can. So when you get that inspiration, or you have that thought, it's like, no, maybe I shouldn't eat that cookie. Then don't eat that cookie. Just stop, walk away. You're taking action in a different direction, right? Or when you're looking at putting up a webinar, or putting a webinar together, or doing a live, it's like, well, no, I've got to think. Instead of actually saying, oh, no, I really need to think about the perfect thing that my clients are going to want. Stop that. You actually just want to go with that inspiration, and go and do your live, go and start your webinar. You already have it in place. You already have the ideas in place. All you're trying to do is you're falling into that perfection trap, which, again, this guy is all in charge of. So I'm going to leave that with you today. Just want to do a quick video for you, again, about the universe loves speed. And it's not just a esoteric, it's not just a woo-woo thing. It really is about the way our mind works. And so as soon as we actually step into that action piece, instead of waiting like we feel like it, okay, I don't quite feel like it, stop that, because that is what is actually slowing you down. All right. Of course, there's all kinds of other tools that go along with this, many of them that I shared with the group this morning. But if you are wanting to actually get into action, and you want things to start changing for you, you want to go faster in your business, you want to overcome You want to have more confidence. You want to have more focus. You want those marketing ideas. That's what I do here. That's what I do in our No Limits Accelerator Mastermind. So if you want more information, just message me. All right. See you soon.